Dakota Collins with Collins Trucking. We're gonna step over here and see what Robbie's got going on in the shop. Let's go check on Robbie here. Hey, Robbie.
Yes, sir.
Gonna see what you got going on over here with this trailer.
Rebuilding it. Half of it in the roof anyway.
Oh. Yeah, I noticed some of the side panels are missing.
Right. Somebody flipped it over, landed it on its side, it had paper rolls in it, pretty heavy, and they went through the side of the trailer with the forklift to take the paper rolls out so they could flip it back upright, and damaged the siding pretty good. So I'm replacing a lot of it. I cut all of this out, and I have to replace the roof, which I already cut away. And a lot of these roof bows, which I already cut the old ones away, I've already mounted the new ones. Right now I'm hanging up panels, so the holes I'm drilling down there so that I can put rivets through and buck them in.
I see you got it tied to the ceiling frames. Is that just for keeping it, all sturdy and the panels all straight up and down?
It's mostly to keep it straight up and down, and when I had all the bows off and the side rail off, because I replaced the side rail, to keep it from leaning in and flexing the frame or falling over on me. So the straps keep it from moving.
So how exactly do you replace the ceiling? Is it panels or
The roof?
Yeah, the roof.
It's this roll right here. It's all one piece. So what I would do with this is I'll set this on top of the trailer at the nose. I'll adjust it, I measure it on each side to make sure it's hanging off the same, and then I cut that band and let it roll all the way to the end of the trailer, and then I start drilling holes and putting it in.